Hi, my name is Zach. I am a life settlement broker, and a large part of my job is educating clients on the life settlement market. So a common inquiry that we get is, people are looking for a life settlement calculator. And, online you can find things like a mortgage calculator to help you calculate your monthly payments on a mortgage, but the life settlement market is vastly different. And the best we can do is really an appraisal. With some basic information about your policy, your age, and your health status, we can come up with a reasonable range where we think your policy might get offers. The reason why we can't have an exact calculator is because there's so many variables that go into a life settlement. So on the investor side, there's underwriting that is there to determine, how long do they think the insured is likely to live. And they need that number because they need to figure out how many premium payments they're going to have to make. So if they come up with a 10-year life expectancy and your premiums are $15,000 a year, right away the investor knows this policy is likely to cost $150,000 over the next 10 years just to keep it in force. Now, the reason, a policy calculator or a settlement calculator, someone may not have accurate information on their future premiums. In order to enter the marketplace, we need an Inforce Illustration so we can see exactly what level premiums look like. In a universal policy, you can get away with paying $2,000 this year, but next year you might owe $10,000. So by having accurate information, collecting it from the insurance carrier, and also the underwriting piece, having a professional underwriter review, that's what's going to get us the most accurate numbers. If someone who's 75 and doesn't feel they're particularly healthy, they might tell me they only have 5 years to live, when in reality, actuarial tables show them living another 12 years. So it's the best way to find out if your policy is worth anything in the marketplace. Fill out our free appraisal form, and we'll be able to tell pretty quickly, how much in a range we think your policy is worth before we start collecting all that more difficult data to collect. So there's a link in the description of the video to get to my website. We have a free appraisal form, and I'll give you an appraisal as soon as I have your information. Thanks so much. Take care.